this way we have Ruby and Lucy in the box, and there's Grace, Dana, Fresh. She says, where's mine? Thank you, I'll share with you. I do it in chunks so they can carry it away like that. And it's Guinevere. Hi, lady. Coming back to your house? Your food is inside. Here she comes. Good girl. And there's our little Midge. Everybody's accounted for. Beastie waits patiently for me to finish this feeder box here. She's very patient. Sweetie. Hi, Gina. Oh, Gigi. Hi, lady. Oh, she's so cute. What a cutie pie. And Katie is through the trees. And there's Nikki. Hi, Nix. Coming.